So what is periodicity of properties? What is periodicity in properties? Periodicity, what is a period? That is when you have a pendulum, you begin from one position, this pendulum, this will move up to one fixed position and then it will again come back to its original position. So this forms one period. Alright, so periodicity, the same thing happens over here. That is periodicity. Periodicity is gradual change in the properties of elements which after reaching a fixed value are repeated again. Alright, are repeated again. So this forms a period. Now state the reason of this change. How does the tendency of elements to gain electrons change as we move from left to right in a period? Now as we move from left to right in a period, let us see. As we move from left to right in a period, in the second period you have lithium, then you have beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Alright, so initially what happens? Lithium, this will form Li plus, beryllium will form Be2 plus, this will form 3 plus, carbon will share 4 electrons. Alright, then after that again nitrogen will form 3 minus, it will gain 3 electrons. Oxygen will gain 2 electrons, F will gain 2 electrons and this of course will have 0 oxidation number. Alright, so how does this tendency of elements to gain electrons change as we move from left to right in a period? So what we should write for this? As we move left to right in a period, at first the tendency of an element in group 1, 2 and 3 is to give away electrons. The group 14 elements share 4 electrons, after which there is a tendency to gain electrons in order to achieve inert gas configuration, nearest inert gas configuration. Alright, in order to achieve inert gas configuration. State the reason for this. Because now these elements, they can, by gaining electrons, they can achieve inert gas configuration. So they will gain electrons instead of losing electrons. They are in short of only 1, 2 or 3 electrons to achieve the inert gas configuration. So they will gain electrons. Coming to the next question, that is, an element atomic number 20 reacts with element Q, which is atomic number 17, to form a compound we have to answer that write the position of P and Q in the modern periodic table and molecular formula of the compound formed when P and Q react together. Alright, so what we will write, that is element